Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make Belcha in SolidWorks. Full I know it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part and click OK. Now go to here, select the plane white and first of all select the plane. It's defense for your product. Now I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the line to sketch from sketch here. Now select here and here, give the making R and select the line and select here. Now this line control this R tangent. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 265 and this line dimension 80 and this line given degree 79 and this line given degree 11 already making 11, no need to given again. Now give the this line dimension 5. Now go to feature and extrude and given the mid, select the mid plane and given the value 250 as 0 is okay. Now go to here this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the circle below 32.5 and select this line convert entities and select trim and cut here and here. Now go to feature and extrude and give the value 150 as 0 is 150 okay. Now go to fillet tools, this line fillet, this line fillet 30 as 0 is I can use 30 and this line fillet, this line fillet and this line fillet 20 as 0 is. Now this line fillet 5 or 10 as 0 is 10, this line fillet 10 as 0 is okay. Now give the value, select here value 5 as 0 is okay. Now go to here, given the fillet 5 or 10 as 0 is okay. Now go to isometric view and select the shell tools here and here and here, given the below 1 or 2 as 0 is 1 okay. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now select here slot, Given the dimension as 0 is, now this line dimension 30 and these are dimension 5. Now this point and this line dimension 30. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now the direction change. Okay. Now go to here shaded tools use as your use. Now select the color this product. You can select here. Select the plastic. You can select plastic. Now EDM select as you wish or pattern it. This color use it plastic. Okay, make our job. Now go to I can make the mold tools. Make the mold part. Go to mold tools and select the parting line and go to here. Select draft analysis. Now select the automatically parting line. Now go to OK. Now select here shot of surface. Okay, automatically create the shot of surface. Okay. Now go to isometric view and select parting surface. Parting surface. Now here given the below 100 or 160. Now you can select here tangent to surface normal to this product need to select perpendicular to pole. Okay. Now go to select tooling split. Now select this face. Now go to here rectangular, draw the rectangular. Now this point moving here. Now give the dimension below 540 and this line below 310 as 0 is. Now this line and this point given below 190 as 0 is, and now go to select. Now go to here this mold tools. Just select this line midpoint and control this point vertical. Now go to isometric view and select the exit tool. Now here given the below 150 and 150. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now you can this height as you wish and this height. Now go to here select shaded with this. Okay. Now go to here. Now go to select solid bodies. Now select the shape bodies. Now here select auto assign name. Okay. Now first of all select here, or you can need to save the job. Now go to here, select file and save as. Now go to desktop. Now you can write here name Belcha. Okay, save. Now you can again here solid bodies. Save body and select here auto assign name and select here browse and desktop name product name save Belcha mold. Now go to save and select here save. You just select the yes, 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 and select revolt and save document. Okay, now go to window and select Belcha mold. Okay, now go to here explore, select here and move this product and select here done. Now again select here and go to move and OK. Now go to here plain white. Now go to again here. You can select here collapse. Now go to again here. Select animation explode. Wow, chamatkar. Make our job. Now you can use color as you wish. Now select here shaded. Select here shaded. Now give the this border color. Use here. Okay. Now you can use hair materials or as you wish. Material use. Now go to metal. I can use iron, titanium, thought, gold, silver as you wish. Need to MS or SS. Here you can use anything. Okay, I just change the color or no. Go to isometric view and again here collapse and select animation explode. Wow. Okay, everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.